Well, hello everybody. Here we are back, and I got something interesting for you. I bought something on eBay, a pocket knife, which was, the pictures were not very clear, and it was advertised as Magnum knife. So I decided to take a chance. The bidding started at 99 cents, and it was $10 for shipping. So I figured, hey, 11 bucks, I can afford to take a chance. So let's take a look. Huh. Came with an original box. That was never mentioned. Well, that's always a plus. Magnum. And it says something in German here. Der Grumpunkt. I may be mistaken. I thought these were Japanese-made knives, and later on they went to China. But we'll take a look at it. Whoa! Factory foil. Alright. Excellent. Could this be brand new? Wow. That is pretty cool. That is pretty cool. Wow. Let me see. Doesn't look like it was handled much at all. The scrimshaw is very nice. I like it. Let me see if I can zoom in for you guys to take a look a little bit better. Yeah, well, can we focus here? Oh, darn it. Damn you, Sony! Damn you! Anyway, it looks pretty good. Yep, it's a Magnum. And it says stainless steel Japan, so I was right. Yeah, it is a Japanese knife. Most likely early 80s. The scrimshaw is beautiful. I'm going to try to show you the scrimshaw a little bit better. But yeah, I don't believe this liner lock was ever used. Huh. Go figure. Huh. Nice. Sweet. It's going to go into my scrimshaw collection, which I'm going to eventually share with you guys. I do have some scrimshaw knives. Like there's a case that's exposing part of it. All right. Anyway, let me take a look at this. Here's that scrimshaw. A jaguar, or a mountain lion, or a puma, a leopard. I love it. Brand new knife, 99 cents, $10 for shipping. And the funny thing is, an inexperienced seller on eBay did not list it correctly, pictures were poor, and he never bothered to ship it first class. He chose an $8 priority mail envelope. So I'm sorry, the guy only made $1 off of this thing, and eBay is gonna take that. But I got a very nice knife for 11 bucks delivered. It is beautiful. It's nice and heavy. There's absolutely no play. Nice. I love it. Alright guys, hey listen, I'm trying to grow my channel, so if it's not too much trouble, can you give me a like or maybe even subscribe? Alright, anyway, if you don't want to, you don't want to, but I may come up with an occasional find at the garage sale once in a while, so you may want to check it out. Anyway, thanks a lot you guys, appreciate the viewing.